What is going on, my spicy family? It's your boy Jay Leezy here again with another tasty treat coming y'all's way. So it's going to be a moment. I'm going to drive through. It's kind of been out for a few weeks now. If you can guess what it is, hey, comment down there. Tell me what you think. But this is going to be a good one. I know it's been a while since I've kind of made another video since my beautiful little treat, my treat, the one chip. But this is so totally different. It's not like, trying to kill me or anything like that. But I hope it's got some good flavor. So, go relax, take a break, do whatever, grab a beer. I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, sorry for that. I had to actually pick up the food. But, hope y'all guessed. I don't know. This is weird, I'm talking to you like you've already done it. The video ain't even made yet. Oh, this is funny. But anyways, what I went and got, it's at Burger King. So this beautiful, it's called the Ghost Pepper Whopper. It's a little expensive, $7.09 for a burger. And then I also got an extra piece of cheese on it because a lot of reviews that I've seen saying it's not hot enough or there's no heat. And, well, I love heat. And I also got some of the jalapeno bites. I got an 8-piece with that. No drink. I gotta be specific on that. No drink. Let me turn this off right here. I'm actually a little excited about this. I hope they're good. It smells like it's got a little bit of heat to it. Oh, it's nice and warm too. I like that. So, let's see what this thing looks like. Let's see if it's worthy. It definitely looks like you would think. A good old burger. Juicy. A little greasy. I'm excited about this. Well, instead of just sitting here and talk about what's on it, it's cheese, sauce, bacon, jalapeno bites. It smells really good though. So let's try it. First initial bite. It's delicious. But I am hungry. I haven't eaten it all day. Good flavor. I definitely want to say, I can feel a little bit. It don't taste like a normal ghost pepper. So don't think this is, just because it says ghost pepper, it's going to kill you. It's not. If you eat hot food, you'll be fine. This is nothing. And then, this tastes exactly how you would think, just like a jalapeno cheddar bite. I want to dig into more of this burger. For you football fans out there, yes, like the Gamecocks, I have not been following them at all for like the last 2 years because, well, everybody knows why. Still like the team though. These are good. I can feel a little bit of my face like it's starting to get red. I can feel the heat coming over me. Roll the window down a little bit. It's probably why it's kind of like a gloomy day here. I'm getting ready to go into work. But this is not hot. Don't be afraid to try this. Like, I could probably get like a quadruple of these with more cheese. I also think some a little bit of ghost pepper powder would be amazing. That's these little jalapeno cheddar bites, though. Them is good. Yeah, I would honestly recommend this to anybody, if you eat hot stuff or not. Now, if you eat it and it hurts and hurts, and you go to the hospital or anything like that, just because I said I recommended, doesn't mean it's my fault. You're the one that made the decision to try it. But if you love spicy food, though, this is a good one. Okay, so for a heat scale, since I'm coming up on like 8 minutes, I didn't want it to be this long. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this whole thing. I'm gonna give y'all my heat scale. I'm gonna get off of here so I can finish the rest of this. Heat scale from a 1 to 10, 10 being the worst thing that I've ever done, food wise. It's like I want to say a low, like a 1.5. This is not hot. To me, it's not. But I eat spicy foods like religiously. Might have to do another review on another one of my good treats. But thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell everybody. Hey, just watch this dude eat some hot stuff. I love it. But thank you. I love you. Spicy family. Y'all have a good day.